Okay, so I started the recording, guys, and the purpose of this entire session is to guide you all what to do as to as far as your AS level is concerned. क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए starting 15th of December. Please understand that if you have not started studying yet, it's high time to start studying. This is your call. Please, please, please do not take AS level this easy. Do not be complacent. Do not procrastinate. Yes, I've said AS level is far easy compared to O level IGCSE, especially from a conceptual point of view. And I've proven it in my live classes. I've proven it to my students that AS level is easier than O level IGCSE as far as conceptual understanding is concerned. Okay? So today's class is just a little guide for those students who are just joining my session. I think we've hit about 100 students in our registered class. So those who are just joining in, there are a couple of announcements for those students, and those who have not yet joined and might think to join later on, there are a couple of unfortunate announcements for those students as well, right? So let me share my screen with you all. There are a couple of plans that I've curated for you all, and I want you all to see that plan. Let me share the screen with you guys. Check this out. So those who are new and who have not actually taken my registered classes, this is actually how your portals look like. This is basically a personalized portal for each and every one of you. I can't teach today, guys. I'm sorry. I can't teach. My shoulder is in a heck lot of pain, and I have to go to and do my scapula MRI tomorrow or whatever it is. But keep me in your prayers. Yes, it's just been too much work. I've been working almost 16 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours on my laptop every single day, because हमारा profession है, especially when you work in one of the big four accounting firms in the world. It gets to you, and especially when you work on big ass listed clients, तो उसमें बड़ा बड़ा issue हो जाता है. It's a lot of work. खैर, that's beside the point. I want to guide all the new students who want to take my classes later on, or who have just registered for my classes. This is how your personalized portal looks like. We've covered all the recordings, and inshallah from the 15th of December we'll be starting off with organic chemistry. See, there is no content available because from the 15th we'll be starting off with live classes as far as organic chemistry is concerned. This particular part of the portal, this tab contains all the lectures along with the notes and all of the material. You guys can check this out. This has detailed lectures for every single chapter, detailed notes of every single class. Everything is available on this particular portal. If you guys can check this out, there are a lot of conceptual lectures available, and these are obviously live classes. Some of the classes are about 103 minutes long, some are 52 minutes long, but on average you have 60 minutes classes, right? And because obviously in AS level you need to have this in-depth understanding of things, before you actually move on to A2 level, because AS level is the base. Either your teacher will make you fall in love with chemistry, or he'll make you hate chemistry. And normally what happens is the teacher makes you hate chemistry, right? Because they try to portray chemistry as a subject which is filled with rote learning and everything and all of that stuff, but we all know it's none of that. All my students, alhamdulillah, they're doing wonderful in their live classes. They're acing their tests, they're acing their exams, and frankly speaking, I've just worked on their concepts. They are doing everything on their own. But also there are a couple of more tabs in this particular personalized portal. It has topical theory. So if you guys watch this first chapter, you watch all the recordings of the first chapter, you should be good to go. You will be able to solve every single question that will the examiner will test you with, because I've covered every single aspect of any particular chapter in a lot of detail. And this is my challenge to the entire world कि मैंने जिस तरीके से लेक्चर कवर किए हैं, जिस तरीके से मेरी कवरेज है, जिस तरीके से मेरा फ्लो है, और जितना डिटेल मैंने चीज़ों को कवर किया है, nobody is at par with this. And this is a blessing from Almighty, and it's obviously efforts which show on, and your results will also show this to you guys. Don't worry, as time progresses and you check out your results, you'll see how well you do compared to all the other students and all the other candidates, because this is a structured course and you need a structured, well trained teacher to teach you this course, right? So this is effectively your lectures portal. Then after you watch a particular chapter, you go into the topicals tab and you start to open every single topical every single topical question for this particular chapter. And you'll notice that I have done a hell lot of questions, and I'll continue to cover a lot of questions as far as theory is concerned and topical is concerned. From 2014 to 2024, my booklet is available. You guys can check it out. That particular booklet contains theory questions, and those theory questions have been carefully selected, pin picked, is that the correct word? But I've carefully curated those questions, and all the questions of a particular chapter are selected by me. So you bet that there are no mistakes or very minimal mistakes I've in selecting those questions. And all these questions, you'll see these live topical class that I conduct, they are available on your portal in a very organized manner. 2024 set, 2022 set, 2022 set, 2020 set, 2019 set, 2018 set, and the sets will continue to go down till 2014 hopefully. And see here you have other sets, 2024 set, 2023 set. So there's a lot of practice available for theory, for MCQs, and it'll continue to be updated from time to time. It'll either be in the form of live classes that I'll conduct, practice live classes, or I just sometimes sit on my laptop, start to record videos, and keep on uploading them. You can check out these topical MCQs. You have 2024 set, then you have more and more MCQ radox, and yeah, it'll continue to be filled slowly and gradually, more and more and more. You have periodicity, which contains entire inorganic chemistry, and all of these good stuff. All of this good stuff is actually available on your portal. 2024 set part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a lot of detail, you will see all these questions available, right? And then you have summaries, and this is what I'm planning to do later on. If I finish the course early on, I will also make summary classes. Like for example, you have summary of entire inorganic chemistry reaction. Similarly, I'll make a summary for organic chemistry. I'll make a summary for every single chapter. Hopefully, this is not a promise, but this is something on my mind, on my agenda, that I'll make summary for every single chapter. In 1 hour, you will be able to revive all the concepts that you've learned throughout your chemistry, and then you'll be able to apply them in the real life exam scenario. Now, the question is, sir, if we have not taken your live classes yet, can we still take your live classes, and will we be able to ace our exams? And the answer to that is yes. I have made these two plans for you guys, those who will be joining from the 15th of December, and you can check these plans out on your own. If I open this plan and if you enroll, you can check this out. One is the 45-day plan. There are a total of 94 lectures that we've covered, except for organic chemistry, which will obviously commence from the 15th of December. And if a student takes 2 lectures every single day on my portal, 2 lectures, only 2 lectures every single day starting the 15th of December, you guys can tick box and print this out for yourself. And you'll see that by the 30th of January, you'll be done with the entire chemistry course, and you'll be able to join us in the live organic chemistry classes. Or you can also keep on joining us and be at par with us in the live chemistry classes, and you can even start to watch these lectures simultaneously, right? So this is the first 45-day plan. Students think that my lectures are long, they're lengthy. Yes, they are lengthy. It's 1 hour lectures, or sometimes 1.5 hours. Sometimes there are 40 minutes lectures or 50 minutes lectures as well. But please, the detailed coverage that I've given you in any particular class is more than enough to ace your chemistry exam. Please understand that. The reason behind my lengthy ass classes is just to solidify concepts. A lot of things that I teach in one particular class are repetition. Is repetition, repetition, repetition. It's called spaced repetition. So this is a method that I've learned in some Caltech courses that I took, and some other courses that I've took throughout the years, and I've tried to refine my teaching philosophy and my teaching my teaching skills. And this is what I've learned, that whenever you teach a new whenever you deliver a lecture, remember to connect it with the preceding lecture and the future lecture, and only teach a little bit of today's class. So whatever you see my lectures, you can easily cover 2 lectures every single day. Watch it into 1.5x, into 2x, and make your own notes. This is the 45-day plan for those who will be joining from the 15th of December. If you join from the 15th of December, you'll be done with the entire course by the 30th of January. You'll have about 3 months, literally 3 months, to do a lot of practice. So it's up to you if you want to take the class or not. And then if you want to take the pace a little slower, you can absolutely do that. Starting 15th of December, you guys can check this out. Cover 1 lecture every single day, lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. And you'll be able to cover 94 lectures by the 18th of March. So and it's about three-month plan, right? 90-day plan, about 3-month plan. You'll be able to, approximately 3 months, you'll be able to cover all the lectures by the 18th of March, and you'll still have about a month and a half to prep for your final exam and do a lot of practice classes. Please, you don't need to read any book if you're taking my classes. No book, no notes, no nothing. Just take my lecture, write down the notes on your with your own hands, and using your own brain. When you look at my lecture, write down the notes that I'm teaching in the class, jot down the notes, and that's it. You do not need to take anybody's notes, because remember, my notes, the classes that I have delivered, they are in line with the Cambridge structured course. All the definitions, everything and anything is in line with the Cambridge course, right? So agar aap idhar udhar ke save my exam notes देखें, I'm not discouraging it's up to you, but it'll contain, sometimes it'll contain irrelevant details, sometimes it'll contain extra unnecessary details. Obviously my course also has a lot of fun stuff, a lot of extra knowledge and all of that stuff, but understand that it's only to connect you with the real concepts. These different notes will have different unnecessary information which will confuse you or deviate you from the real goal, which is to attain knowledge and ace that exam. That should be our real goal at this point, right? Attain knowledge, conceptually be very crystal clear, and ace the exams, inshallah, right? So ye kuch cheezein. Now, to students who say, sir, don't close the registrations on the 15th of December, unfortunately, I've said it multiple times that I will not be taking in more students after the 15th of December. I don't do this for money. All this goes somewhere else. A lot of my students know where all this money goes. But, I'm, alhamdulillah, financially, I'm pretty, alhamdulillah, Allah ka fadl hai, sab kuch hai hamare paas. Or my job is a very secure job. I have a lot of other businesses which, if I take this, if I monetary evaluate this stuff monetarily, then I don't think if that's the correct word or not, but it's only a fraction of what my other businesses make me. So I've got myself covered, right? So I do this as a hobby. So that's why my main job is to get your guys grades and to make sure that you guys are very conceptually sound, crystal clear. And all of my students message me, alhamdulillah, Allah ka karam hai, कि, sir, I aced this exam, I aced that exam, I knew this concept, that concept, this concept. So I'm glad there are no confused students. But I will be stopping the registrations from the 15th of December. Lekin chunke a lot of students are reaching out to me, sir, we'll be starting off 1st January, we'll be starting off with 1st January, please don't do it, don't close your registrations, we'll join from 1st January, 1st January. Okay, so be it. If you want to join from the 1st January, be it. After the 1st of January, every preceding month, my monthly subscription will increase by a hefty amount. Kyunki if you guys want to waste your own time, it's up to you. तो अभी तक तो इट्स आई थिंक मिस नाइबा डील्स विद इट. आई डोंट इवन लुक एट द फी स्ट्रक्चर. मिस नाइबा और सर अली देखते हैं, लेकिन एज फार एज आई सीन इट आई थिंक इट्स 12.5K एवरी मंथ, राइट? तो अगर 1st January से कोई ज्वाइन करेगा, इल बी प्रॉब्ली 15K or 20K a month. If somebody joins from the 1st of February, maybe it's 30K a month. I don't know. I'll tell them to keep on increasing it, because see, if you guys are playing with your futures, you guys shouldn't play with your futures. Matlab, this is unfortunate that students start to study very, very last minute, and it's not good. And that's why I am trying to make sure that all the students who want to take my session, they can take my session, and I want them to enroll as early and as possible, because the more you delay it, the more expensive it'll get. So then that'll automatically discourage you from taking my course, and probably you'll take some other teacher's course. So that's better in my opinion, because I don't want a student who comes 1 month early to my course and then says, sir, I purchased Sir Suleiman's portal, and then the student defames me, right? My name is very important to me. I've always focused on my name, on my reputation in the market, and this is what I'm all about. It's about delivering concepts, and it's about helping students fundamentally strengthening their concepts, and it's also about my name. तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि कोई स्टूडेंट 1 महीना पहला मेरा पोर्टल ले ले और वो कहे, ओए होए सर सुलेमान से पढ़ा था और मेरा तो ग्रेड नहीं है. नहीं, मेरे से वो नहीं पढ़ा था, 1 महीने में उसने कितना ही कर लिया होगा. सो दैट्स द आइडिया. और इसीलिए आई माइट नॉट शट डाउन द रजिस्ट्रेशंस, बट इफ़ यू वांट द रजिस्ट्रेशंस टू स्टिल बी ओपन, ठीक है, बी इट. आई विल द मोर स्टूडेंट्स डिले इट, द मोर एक्सपेंसिव इट विल गेट, ताकि इट डिस्करेजेस स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम टेकिंग माई सेशन लेटर ऑन एंड दे स्टिक टू अनदर टीचर्स. तो किसी और टीचर को डिफेम करें, मुझे ना करें, क्योंकि मेरा जो कोर्स है, मैं इसका दावा कर सकता हूँ, मेरे लेक्चर्स जिस बच्चे ने देखे हैं उसका A ग्रेड आके ही जाएगा, जिसने देखे हैं, जिसने मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस की है, और जो जिसने कॉन्सेप्चुअली अपने नोट्स बनाए, उसका ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि उसका ए ना आए, राइट। हाँ, अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से होता है, कुछ हो जाता है एग्जाम के दिन, प्रेशर शायद आ जाता है, कुछ और तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है, बीमार हो जाता है, वो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स हैं। बट इंट्रिंसिकली आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट। कोई टीचर आपको ये नहीं कहेगा कि मेरा कोर्स लें तो ए ग्रेड आएगा, वो झूठ होगा, सरासर झूठ होता है नॉर्मली। लेकिन आई एम सो कॉन्फिडेंट आई कैन इवन टेल यू गाइस, यार मनी बैक गारंटी आपको मिस नाइवा कर देंगी। अगर आप कोर्स लेते हैं और आपका ए ग्रेड नहीं आता और आप सब कुछ मेरा करते हैं, ऐसे पॉसिबल नहीं। इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ, मैं आपको मनी बैक गारंटी भी देता हूँ ऑन वीडियो। मैं आज कह रहा हूँ, जिसने मेरा कोर्स लिया है, जिसने मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस की है, जो चीज़ें मैंने कराई हैं वो की है, उसका अगर ए ग्रेड नहीं है तो मिस नाइबा उसका पूरा का पूरा अमाउंट रिफंड कर दिया, मैं अपनी जेब से पैसे दे दूंगा। तो ठीक है, ये आप सबके फ्यूचर के लिए, आप सबके फ़ायदे के लिए। मेरे इसमें यार कुछ भी नहीं है, जो पैसे मुझे मिलते हैं वो डोनेट होते हैं, बहुत घर बसते हैं उस पैसों में। तो मेरे अपने पैसे बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह का बहुत फजल करम है, बहुत बिजनेस है, सब कुछ है। ठीक है। तो दिस इज़ अ क्विक सेशन दैट आई वांटेड टू टेक विद दी स्टूडेंट्स। मेरा शोल्डर पेन बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट दिस इज़ अ क्विक सेशन टेलिंग स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू टेक the session from the 15th of December, you can either opt for the 90-day plan or you can opt for the 45-day plan, and this is how you'll be able to cover the entire course in the nick of time. तो अब आपकी मर्जी है, जैसे करना चाहते हैं, दिस इज़ द टाइम। आप मेहनत करें, हो जाएगा, अल्लाह खैर करेंगे। बाकी किसी का कोई सवाल हो, मुझे आप ज़रूर रीच आउट करें। माई नंबर, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज़ +92 333 569 4666। You guys can always contact me, and whenever you have any queries, even if you don't take my session, you're all my students, you're all the students of this nation, so you're all my students. Whenever you need help in whichever chapter you need help, I'll always be there for you. वैसे तो मुझे कोई 1500 मैसेजेस आए हुए हैं, तो वो एक एक खोलना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। तो जब भी कोई इमरजेंसी हो आप कॉल भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 1500 मैसेजेस में टाइम मिलता है तो मैं आपका जो है आपका मैसेज ज़रूर 90-डे प्लान, 45-डे प्लान भेज देगा। इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन योर पोर्टल अलमास, सो इफ़ यू चेक आउट योर पोर्टल, दिस इज़ द प्लान। यू कैन वॉच द इंटायर रिकॉर्डिंग लेटर ऑन। तो ये मैंने आपके लिए पोर्टल्स बनाए टू मेक यू गाइस वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, और अल्लाह खैर करेंगे। बाकी ये इंशाल्लाह 15 दिसंबर ऑनवर्ड से ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री शुरू होगी, उसमें शायद आप लोग ना आ पाएँ जो रजिस्टर्ड नहीं हैं, बट उसके बाद रजिस्ट्रेशंस ऐसी होंगी कि उसके बाद मेरी मंथली फ़ी जो है इतनी स्पाइक करेगी, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स हु वर नॉट सीरियस एट द बिगिनिंग, दे शुडंट जॉइन माय क्लासेस, दे शुड जॉइन सम अदर टीचर्स क्लास जो आपको दीन दुनिया दोनों पढ़ाए। ठीक है, दैट्स इट गाइस, इंशाल्लाह सी यू ऑल लेटर, बाय, चाओ।